मैं चाहूँगी जोरदार तालियां बजाई जाएगी for National President Mr. Pradeep K. Chande. And of course, he needs no introduction, but let me have the pleasure to talk a little about him. A professional hotelier with 35 years of rich experience with some of the finest international hotels in India and abroad. Currently working as founder, president and chairman of AHPWI and director AIH MCT Nagpur. Also previously worked as general manager and CEO with the reputed brand, consultant and advisor with Empress Palace and Poonam Resort, Novotel and Holiday Inn. As national president, AHPWI, his first priority and challenge was to see the stability in employees in hospitality community and equality educational system in Hotel Management Institute across the India.
National President, AHPWI, he has cumulative experience of 35 odd years in the hospitality industry. He has witnessed all the ups and downs and different shades of the hotel and hospitality industry in India. He strongly believes that education combined with skill building can lift our country and tourism beyond our expectations. Technically educated young people can fulfill responsibilities of their role better if trained properly.
Mr. Mohan Kumar. First of all, can I hear the CEO of Taj Gateway and MD and CEO of Ginger Hotel? Come on everyone, can I have a standing ovation for C.A. Mohan Kumar? एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां बजानी चाहिए.
When you get an honor like the Lifetime Achievement Award,
Lieutenant General KG is saying here, he is currently Haryana State Information Commissioner. He is member of Chandigarh Advisory Council.
Let me give a big hand. Sky is the limit. So please brace up and take up this challenge, or this opportunity will pass us. And I am grateful to Chandel sir for associating me with this body.
Evening, first of all, here. Put a hand together, welcome him on stage. Mr. Arjun Singh Arora is management from Ignore Hotel in Lavasa. During his college year, he went on to intern with international hotel chains like Marriott and Hilton and did his supervisory leadership at Mania, Dubai. He secondly launched serving signature cocktails based on famous painter Pablo Picasso. He is planning on setting up an institutional cafeteria at Gantavai College, Vada, which will get around 2,000 students. And Balaji, Group CEO, Class Exotica Bank. Experience in operations, events, business development, sales, marketing and management leadership role. Balaji brings strong commercial experience in depth knowledge of Indian hospitality. Also, his contribution is recognized as instrumental in establishing Clark Exotica Convention Resort and Spa in Bangalore. And how can I forget to mention his expertise across multiple domains at Heathrow Resort multiple. Come on everyone, give it up for Mr. M. Balaji. National experience in operations and management of major upscale hotel brands like Hilton Hotel, NH Hotel in England and Spree Hospitality in India. And of course, he's young, energetic, and you are well deserved. Come on everyone, please give it up for Mr. Adept at working in a high-pressure environment with strict deadlines and multiple deliverables, holding strong background in operations, food and beverages management, public relation, business development, infrastructure and training, general administration, HRM and consumer relation. Oh my God, long list of responsibilities. Everyone please make some noise for Mr. Supriyo. Congratulations, you are the young achiever. Sanjay Naidu, CEO of Sanjay Cardiac Service, is a well-known name in Central India. He has started his first assignment at the age of 10 years, and by the grace of God never looked back. In these 25 years of service, they have catered all the areas of modern cities, Central India. Everyone एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएगी for Mr. Naidu. Can I have Mr. Tapan Jaiswal on stage? He started his business in the automobile industry. Now he is the owner of Zero Degree Lounge, and of course in the coming time he is planning